Okay, so this is what we are asked to determine. As we get closer and closer to 2, from this side with numbers smaller than 2, and from this side with numbers greater than 2, closer and closer to 2, I want to do this. I want to go to second and table and plug in 2. If I plug in 2, what do you think will happen? Look at the function and tell me what will happen if I plug in 2.
It's not going to come up with a value because there's a hole there.
Because the denominator is 0, which means the entire expression is called what? When the denominator of expression is 0, the entire expression is called?
Undefined.
What is the word again?
Undefined.
Thank you. It's undefined. So if you try to put in 2, you will absolutely get an error. You have to get an error. You can't plug in 2 in this. So part B of the question is asking us to estimate, to come up with a potential number that will be the slope of the tangent line. But you understand why this is the slope of the tangent line? Because we are getting, as we had before a few minutes ago, we are getting, this is P, and we are getting with Q closer and closer to P from either side. So then you can say, my 1.999 is not close enough for me to make an estimate. Fine. Then you will plug in 1.9999999, as many nines as you want. And here's what the calculator is giving us. What is it giving us? It's giving me 1, which makes sense. From this side is very close to 1. From this side, the slope of the secant line is very close to 1. So obviously when I get even closer to it, the slope of the tangent line must be 1. So by bringing Q closer and closer to P in this example, even from either side, so in part B, slope of the tangent line at P is 1. Final question in this problem, here it is. Using the slope from part B, find an equation of the tangent line to the curve at this point. And this is basically what we reviewed last time. One of the problems from the skills assessment was just that. So we have the slope, which is 1. We have P, which is 2 comma negative 1. And we're asked to find the equation of the tangent line. No problem. Y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1, in which I plug.
Move the paper up?
Yes, this way?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Perfect,
Sorry.
thank you.
Sorry. So I plug in what I have. I have 2 as x1, I have negative 1 as y1, and I have 1 as the slope. So then remember, minus minus 1 gives us a plus. Y plus 1, this is just 1. And this is x minus 2. I move 1 to the other side and I'm done. Not only that I was able to determine the slope of the tangent line, but I also have the equation of the tangent line. And I didn't even have to have 2 points, because I created PQ, I had PQ, and I brought Q closer and closer to P, as close as I wanted it to be. We have 15 minutes to work on our problem in the quiz. Let's give it a shot. Now, if you need any assistance with the other problems from the quiz, let me know. So I'm going to share my screen now. I'm switching